This is going to be a very quick project. I wanted to have a quick go at making some coasters, so I've chosen a load of scrap pallet wood and I'm going to glue them together and see how it comes out. What do you think of the outcome of these? You know, with the 3 coats of tung oil, I think it looks great. If you would like to let me know in the comments what you think of the outcome is, would you have used tung oil, or would you have gone down a different route with the finish? If you could like and subscribe to the channel, that would help me out a lot. And if you want to keep an eye on what I'm currently up to in the shed, then you can follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.